If you want to add an event to calendar on POCO M8 Pro, then in that case we can go to the app drawer and we need to open the calendar app. Now on this phone we actually have two calendar apps. Here is one made by Google and there is another one provided by Xiaomi. In this case I'm going to focus on this one by Google, since it's pretty much universal, but I'm going to also show you how to use the other one. In both cases it's actually quite similar. So once you open the calendar we should be able to press this plus button in the bottom right corner, and then we can choose to create an event. Now we can fill everything in, we can set up the title, we can choose when the event should start and end, and in addition to that we can choose of course when it should, well, we can choose the time. Unless the event lasts the whole day, then of course we can tap on this switcher in here, so then we only pick the date. We can also adjust the time zone in here. We can choose if the event is repeatable or not. We can add more people into the event and so on and so forth. You can also manage notifications and choose when you want to be notified about the upcoming event. And of course, once you are done, just tap on save in the upper right corner. And that is pretty much it. Now in the case of the other calendar app that is provided by Xiaomi, then in this case you can find the plus button here at the top, and as you can see it is actually synchronized with the Google Calendar. So after all, it doesn't really matter that much which calendar you use, because in both cases it should work just fine. As you can see, we have similar options in here, and we can tap on this check in order to save the event. And if I go to Google Calendar, then in this case actually this event is not added. So if you add something on the Google Calendar, it's going to work for both apps, but if you add something on the Xiaomi calendar, then it seems that it only works for that app. So that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.